Hello everyone. As you all know, Green Brigade had started a series on biodiversity conservation called the hashtag Pledge to Protect videos, which talked about the various aspects of Indian biodiversity as well as the threats faced by them. The first video talked about how India is a mega diverse nation, and the second video talked about the threats to northeastern Indian biodiversity, and the third one was about the Rajaji National Park, and the last one, released recently, talked about the environmental impact assessment notification 2020. So this series was an endeavor by the society to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity in India and how they are at a severe threat right now because of developmental projects, urbanization, concretization, and how now is the time for all of us to stand up to save our precious biodiversity. Today also is the day to combat desertification and rot. And desertification is also an indicator of biodiversity loss. The entire nature cycle is linked. Our ecosystems are at a severe threat right now, but we can all do our bit. Even if the forests, the mangroves, the lakes, the ponds, the deserts, the mountains may be very far away from our homes, but still we can do our bit to save our precious biodiversity. Of single-use plastics, we can follow sustainability in all spheres of our life, from approaching a minimalistic attitude to planting more trees, nurturing the trees, and besides that we can join groups who are trying to save biodiversity, who are tirelessly working for these causes. We can raise our voices in solidarity with them and push the people in power to really take notice of this burgeoning issue. As youth, we all have the power to save our biodiversity, and this is our time, and we should stand up to save our life support systems, because we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We have borrowed it from our future generations.
That way you can see she's shivering. She's lost a lot of her feathers. She is about 5 weeks old, just a baby. Had a terrible, terrible life. Even if he or she were raised on an idyllic farm in idyllic conditions though, would that justify his or her murder? 5 minutes of sensory pleasure. We take everything that they have. Their life is all they have and we take it. How can we possibly morally justify this? such suffering, needless suffering.
Another aspect of biodiversity conservation is choosing to be a vegan. Veganism is about respecting the animal life, protecting the animals from heart wrenching cruelty, and choosing to be a lot more kind and compassionate. That's the least we can do to save our planet and imagine a world where we all live in harmony with our planet, with all the flora, the fauna. How beautiful that would be. So, and more importantly, the vegan dishes are pretty tasty and a lot more nutritious than than the dairy products and other products derived from animals. So, veganism is one more option.